yeah, I can go back there. I was born last year, I can't go back there.
It's me again! Hello! With another Face Awards unboxing because we made it to the top 20! I'm coming to you from my extremely messy bedroom because I have zero space to do any of this, and I... Thank you guys for voting for me. I really appreciate it. I really did not... I keep saying this, I keep thinking, or I didn't think this would happen, because I really didn't. I didn't think I would get top 30. Didn't think I'd get here, and now I'm here, and now there's 2 more boxes here, so thank you. Thank you, NYX. Thank you, everyone who voted for me from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. Let's get into it. We got 2 boxes again. I have my, this is my bed. What's cool about this box is that I'm on it. I'm right here at the bottom. That's me. Oh my god, it's pink. We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by our NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. What is this? Rewind, playback. Oh, it's by Audio Network. That's cool. It's a nice bag. It's a little tote. Elevated shower cap. Oh! Okay, I know how to say this brand now. It's kitsch. It's kitsch. Congratulations on top 20. Oh, that's a really pretty drawing. That was thunder. What is this? Elevated hair towel. Ooh, oh, it's like a, that's cute. Okay, we got more stuff from Vichy. Is it just another kit? Oh my god, it's like the exact same kit. Which is good, because I was running out of makeup wipes. And that makes me really happy, because I really like this stuff, and I've never used it before, and it actually really helps my skin, so that makes me really happy. The Redken bag. Hardware 16. Super strong sculpting gel. Oh, another heat protectant. I think this is like the same one from the other box. Thickening lotion. I need that because my hair is desperately thin. What is this? Bath bombs! Wait, are they? Yes! With the toy surprise inside. I actually think my friend told me about these, and shout out to Sarah because I almost bought those and now I don't need to. Exfoliating body sponge. Hell yeah. Oh, these are by Target. Seaweed hydrating seaweed bath. On to the next one. I'm going really fast because I'm just so fucking excited. This is another Clairsonic. Clairsonic box. Congratulations on making the top 20. Oh my god. So it's a bunch of different tops for your Clairsonic in addition to a Radiance foaming milk cleanser. So that's... I have moved it closer because I realized I was extremely far away. But that was it for that box. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ugh. We got a letter. Congratulations. Your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 7th Annual Face Awards Top 20. We can't wait to see what you create in the 2nd challenge. That's amazing. I'm also on this. Can you find me? I pointed to the wrong side. That's me. Oh my god. It's like boxes again. Okay, okay. It says specialty. A box full of more of the cream body paints, and as well as a bunch of vivid brights, which is really exciting because I like those. I enjoy that thoroughly. Next box says face, serving you glitter. Look at all this glitter. Look at it all. Honey, do me up. Is this a primer? I think this is a primer. I've seen a lot of people use this and I'm really excited about that. There's a spray primer. Pro Foundation Mixer. Here's a bunch of these. Oh no, these are liquid highlighters. They're like in the drippy drip bottles. Away we glow. Born to Glow. 3 highlighters there. Oh, there's something wrapped where I can't see. Ooh, love you so mushy. I hope I'm saying that right. I like these a lot. I have it on right now. Or not these specifically, obviously, but a different palette. That's that one. That was the face box. This box says lips. I have lips. God, you're just killing them. Yay. Well, we got a bunch of lip liners, and there's a blue one in there that I'm really excited about. Matte lip liner. There's a black one that also gets me really excited. There's purple, there's navy. I love navy. This is like gray, really dark gray, I think. And hot pink. Ooh, I like all those. We also have, are these the lip creams? These are more soft. Oh, they're metallic. Shut up. Shut the hell up. That I don't have liquid or metallic lipstick. That makes me so excited to try these. I'm really excited. More metallic. These ones dry matte. I dropped another one. The NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Mattes. Oh my god. Look at this purple. Look at these. You can't see them with my hands in the way. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. We got more lipsticks. These are the vinyl ones. Woo! They're gloss. Vinyl is lip gloss. We got 2 more bundles. Duo. Oh my god. Duo Chromatic Shimmer. I almost said summer. Shimmer lip gloss. Oh my god. Cosmic Metals lip creams. There's a little Saturn in the O. You probably can't see it, but that is really cute, and I'm really, I love all the metallics and the metals and everything in here. That is really exciting. That's it for the lip box. Alright, we got a box that says eyes. Glazed and Confused. Oh, are these like for glossy eyes? I enjoy. I should pick up the box and actually like holographic halo, cream eyeliner, Worth the Hype mascara, bunch of little shimmers, got a lot of lashes. Oh, a lot of lashes. These are cute. Those are exciting. We got a Duo lash glue, Smoky, Perfect Filter, another Perfect Filter. Oh, and more pencils. Yeah. Jumbo eye pencils, glitter primer, and pigment primer. These are strictly vinyl eyeliners. Oh, I didn't know they had eyeliners with these. Oh, are they like liquid? Ooh, that's cool. I like liquid eyeliners. Lots of eyeliner, I think. Yes, inner eyeliner. Oh my god. There's a navy. I'm in love. That is the eyes box. And then we're on to the last one, which is the tools box. Tools. Got more makeup wipes. Oh, we got a cute little bag. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's like a little. Got more sponges. And more of these sponges. And more of these sponges. Brush. This is really fun. That's a fun brush. And we got these brushes. Wow. That's a big fan brush. We're gonna pretend that they're not. They really pack these in, damn. Ah. That's how you take it off. This was like a triangle. That's fun. And that completes this unboxing. I just want to say thanks again to everyone that voted for me. I really didn't think I'd be here. It's still unreal to me, and as I said before and a million times before, this is a huge deal to me. Thank you to NYX. I'm just so thankful for everyone and everything about this, and I can't wait to keep making things with all this stuff and using everything, and just, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go turn myself into Spider-Man now.